Well, our wetlands here, it's special to us, especially because, we've put so much into it. We're both pretty conservation-minded people, and the diversity of the land, the ecosystems here with the wetland especially, it's just pretty phenomenal.
I'm Nichol Swenson.
I'm Craig Swenson. We're from Portage area here. We like it here. We like the diversity of the land.
I love the habitat aspect of it that a wetland provides.
I really enjoy working with Craig and Nichol. They're very active managers of the property, and it's really nice to work with landowners that are engaged with the property and want to improve it.
This property in the 70s and 80s was all farmland. You'd still only get a crop maybe 3 out of 5 years because of the flooding. And they tried to ditch it, and very often you'd see tractors stuck out here in the mud, and it was getting so hard to farm it, year after year.
We are happy with the restoration out here. There's probably around 40 acres of open water. They've got their nice upland prairie area.
Put the prairie in to enhance it so we have more nesting cover, more butterfly habitat, more bird habitat.
One of the nice things about this restoration is that this now acts as floodplain storage. So it helps with some of that overflow when the Baraboo River is high, and it helps filter that water as it's moving to the Baraboo River.
I would definitely recommend that landowners enroll their property in the WRP program.
It's a great relationship. They're understanding. As a landowner, you want to be able to use the land and not have everybody tell you exactly what you have to do, because you're there every day and you can see if there's invasive species or not. They've been real good to work with.
So it's very much a partnership through the restorations, and once it's restored, working with them to manage that in perpetuity.
We use the wetlands quite frequently. In the spring, I always survey it, and I have a little kayak I paddle around out there in, and just to see what's in the marsh.
What I love about wetlands is, the wildlife. And wetlands are very diverse landscapes, and they support a diversity of wildlife.
We got a second-story deck. The view out there when the migration is in full swing is just unbelievable.
There's a lot of waterfowl use in the springtime and fall during migration.
I wasn't aware of so many different migratory birds that we have in the area. It's Flyway's waterfowl experience. People are just amazed at the variety of the species of ducks. The reason the museum is so important to me is because I feel that habitat conservation is one of the most important issues. I'm definitely happy we have land in the WRP program.
It is a great feeling to see something so pristine. You sit out there and you watch the changing sky and the changing season, and the fall and the winter, and the colors, and it's very rewarding. It enhances everything around us, from the frogs to the eagles. So I think it's a plus.